you all for coming today. My name is Jayson Toweh, and I'm a candidate for the U.S. House of Representatives, District 7 in Georgia. I'm glad to be here and speaking with you as early voting has already started. As you can vote now, we're in Alpharetta right now, just right next to the City Hall, but near Brook Street Park on here. And honestly, today should be a joyous day. You know, people are exercising the freedoms and civil liberties to go do what is one of the greatest things, to vote. To be in a democracy, something that folks have fought for starting in 1776 in this country and continuing to this day. But unfortunately, we are seeing impacts on that system right now. And that is why I'm here with you today. I prepared a letter that I'm sending to the Supreme Court talking about concerns and issues that I have. So I will read that off now. Dear Justices of the Supreme Court, I am writing regarding your upcoming decision in Louisiana versus Calais. Specifically, the future of Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Before the passage of the Voting Rights Act, barriers such as poll taxes, literacy tests, and grandfather clauses were used across the country to disenfranchise voters, particularly Black Americans and other minority communities. Section 2 has played a critical role in protecting access to representation and ensuring that eligible voters have a fair opportunity to elect candidates of their choice. This case is deeply personal to me. My maternal grandparents were born in Louisiana, and my family has operated a farm in Pioneer, Louisiana for over 200 years, established by free Black men. Following its establishment, my family worked to protect their farm and community around, and they were successful at having that, while other nearby families faced threats from the KKK coming and stealing their land and attacking them. They worked on profound and social and political change. My grandfather later participated in the March on Washington to advocate for voting rights and equal representation. Those family members were my great-great-great-grandmother, Sally Evans Williams, my great-great-grandfather, Robert Williams, and my grandfather, Will Williams. In Georgia, we've already seen proposals such as House Bill 369 attempt to change how local elections are conducted in some of the state's most diverse counties, threatening the representation and leadership of Black communities and Black women in particular. District Attorney Fonnie Willis has brought concerns of this, showing specifically that of the counties, whether it's district attorneys, county commissioners, most of the folks that these will target in these nonpartisan elections are Black women, to change and get them out of power. Across the country, you're seeing increasing efforts to shape electoral systems in ways that limit communities' ability to choose their own representatives. If elected to Congress, I would support and co-sponsor the John Lewis Voting Rights Advancement Act, as well as an anti-gerrymandering legislation establishing a national independent election commission to help draw fair districts and strengthen election integrity. I believe we must continue working towards elections that are fair, free, secure, and accessible for every eligible voter. By strengthening our election systems and investing in election security and administration, we can build trust in our democracy, create good-paying jobs, and ensure every voice has the opportunity to be heard. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, Jayson Toweh, U.S. House Representative Candidate, District 7, Georgia. Thank you.